Good afternoon from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Today I am going to check into a boutique hotel that promises both charm and convenience. Nestled amidst the bustling streets of Chinatown, Tian Jing, meaning airwell, in Mandarin, offers a tranquil escape. Located within walking distance of Pasar Seni MRT and Plaza Rakyat LRT stations, and with food stalls and a night market right on its doorstep, Tian Jing boasts a prime location. However, be warned, traffic in this area can be heavy during peak hours. Stepping inside, we're greeted by a unique setup. The lobby shares space with the hotel's sister cafe, Lim Ki. Check-in was smooth with a refundable 100 ringgit cash deposit. And a bonus, daily complimentary drink vouchers for the cafe. The cafe is a cozy spot serving up delicious coffee and teas, a testament to the barista's skills. A definite plus for caffeine lovers. But what truly sets Tian Jing apart is its exceptional service. From the reception to the cafe and even the housekeeping, the staff are genuinely friendly and always ready to assist. Now, let's head to my room. I booked the deluxe single room with balcony, a 15 square meter space priced at 186 ringgit per night. The room's design is striking, with a distinct retro vibe. Dark wood furniture, crisp white linens, and copper accents create an elegant and calming atmosphere. The four-poster single bed is a particularly charming touch. Comfort is clearly a priority here. The air conditioning works perfectly, and there's even a ceiling fan for those who prefer natural ventilation. A mosquito net is also provided, a thoughtful addition for the tropical climate. A generous range of toiletries are provided, albeit in single-use bottles. Even the desk phone is designed with a retro aesthetic. A compact wooden rack offers a convenient spot for hanging clothes. A luggage rack provides a spot to place my backpack for easy access and packing. The wardrobe is a simple vintage-style wooden cupboard, and a small safe is available for valuables. Even the small details contribute to the retro theme, from the vintage enamel spittoon used as a waste bin to the enamel mugs. The TV offers limited local channels with fuzzy pixelation, but the decent Wi-Fi speed makes up for it. Instead of coffee, they offer high-quality tea from the 1872 Clipper Tea Company. Complimentary drinking water is provided, with 2 bottles replenished each day. A hairdryer is conveniently stored beneath the wash basin. However, there are a few things to note. The room lacks a dedicated workspace and a refrigerator. While the absence of a fridge is somewhat mitigated by the complimentary cafe beverage, business travelers or digital nomads might miss having a desk. The wash basin is located within the room itself, which might not suit everyone's preference. Also, sound insulation between rooms could be improved. You may be able to hear your neighbours. Now for the unique feature, the open-air shower. This private outdoor space adds a touch of tranquility. The staff diligently light mosquito coils, but as with any outdoor space in the tropics, occasional mosquitoes are to be expected. Although the fixtures are exposed to the elements, the toilet remains clean and fully functional. The retro-style roller bamboo blinds offer both noise insulation and protection from the elements. The rain shower adds to the experience, evoking the sensation of bathing outdoors. While the outdoor shower is a highlight, the water pipes can be a bit noisy. The absence of a dry area separating the shower from the toilet is a safety concern. Overall, Tian Jing Hotel offers a unique and charming experience. Its prime location, attentive staff, and thoughtful amenities make it a great choice for those seeking a stylish and convenient stay in Kuala Lumpur. The single 15-square-meter bedroom might feel small for some, but the overall experience and affordability makes it a worthy contender.